Hello everyone, welcome to Zonle Doors channel. Today, let's talk about door closer. Have you ever heard about door closer? This is a kind of door hardware. As usual, it has the stop the door function, keep the door function, and buffer function. But do you know how to install such a door hardware? Today, let me share the way with you. Our product has passed CE certification, UL certification, and CCCF certification. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. See you next time!